Hey there, it's Dave of Flipperforce. I'm excited to introduce to you our new photo log tool, which you can use to manage all of your project photos that you take throughout the course of your rehab projects. So our photo log tool basically organizes all of your photos in chronological order. So when you upload photos to our photo log, it's going to automatically identify when that photo was taken and then organize it in a chronological format, so that way you can see the progress of your project over time from the before photos to the final completion photos. So you can see here we selected a couple photos here and it automatically identified that those photos were taken on September 19th and 16th of 2012. So when we upload those, it's going to automatically organize it by those dates, and that's going to put it in that chronological view, so that way we can see how the project progressed over time. And so if you're working with maybe a business partner or a lender, we do have this share link up here. This share link will allow you to create a web page, which basically is going to have a web page that you can share with your business partners and lenders to basically show them the progress that you've made on the project. So if you're wanting to keep everybody up to date on what's been going on the project, you can send them this photo log and they can scroll through here. We've got this nice little slideshow, so that way they can see all of your nice photos in a bigger format and kind of scroll through everything. You can add a description over here for them, so if you want to describe what's going on with the project or any issues you're having on the project, keep them up to date on the construction progress you're having while you're doing the renovation. And then obviously once you get the property done, you'll have your nice pretty final completed photos here of how the property looks once you get the renovation completed. And so a couple other things about our photo log, just some stuff that'll help you manage your photos a little bit easier. You'll notice there's a reorder button here. So if when you upload your photos you don't really like the order that they're in, or maybe they seem like they're a little bit out of order, you can always reformat or reorder your photos here. So if you want to simply drag and drop your photos, you can do that. You can even drag them and drop them to different dates. So for some reason we had these photos taken on September 16th and 19th, so maybe we just did a couple photos that day and then we came out and did the final photos a couple days later on Wednesday. If we wanted to consolidate all these into one group, we could just drag these and drop these up there, so that way they're not on a separate date. So that's another way that you can easily change the dates of everything, reorganize all of your photos, stuff like that. Once you're done reordering it, you can just click done reordering and then it'll just save it in that location and you'll be good to go. Otherwise, again, we do have that photo slideshow that you can see, and on that photo slideshow you can change the date there, or you can update the description here. You can also download the images, so if you wanted to download the images to your computer you could do that, or you can delete the images there as well. So hopefully you like our new photo log here. This will hopefully provide a dedicated solution for managing all of your photos. Previously you kind of had all of your photos in the document manager, so we just thought that photos deserved a dedicated tool that had the slideshow and other functionality that's really better for managing photos than what our current document manager offered. A couple other things that we address throughout the software with our photos is, you'll notice on other areas of the app like the investment report or the scope of work builder, if you go down to our investment packets, we've got areas where you can upload photos. So you can see we've got a cover photo here. One thing that we changed was we added in the ability to select from other areas of the app. So previously you could only upload photos from your computer, but now you can select from other areas throughout the app. So you can see maybe if you initially uploaded all of your photos to the photo log, now you can go through and you can select photos from the photo log instead of re-uploading all of those photos again a second time. So now we can just use our existing photos that we've already uploaded elsewhere in the app, and then we can just load those into the report here. Kind of the same thing over there on the photo log. If you happen to upload a whole bunch of photos to the investment report first, you could go over here and you could select from project documents and you'd have a list of all of your photos that you've uploaded elsewhere in the app. So hopefully those new photo upload features will help improve the photo upload process and experience for you, so that way you don't have to upload photos multiple times throughout the app. And you also notice that we added in some other UI stuff. So when you do upload photos, you'll see these loading percentages in here, just giving you some visual feedback that there's actually progress being made in the background. Previously we didn't have that, so some users thought that it wasn't working or it was getting stuck or something. So now we've got that visual feedback in there for you, telling you that progress is being made and that your photos are being uploaded. So hopefully you like our new photo log. We do have some plans to maybe add in some other ways for you to tag and organize your photos. So for example, if you didn't want to organize this by date, maybe you wanted to organize it by before and after photos, or maybe you wanted to organize it by rooms. You could tag some of these photos as like kitchen photos or bathroom photos, stuff like that. So if you have any other feedback or anything, let us know.